Hi, what's your name?
My name's Regan.
Regan. Where are you from, Regan?
Originally from Perth.
Okay. And how old are you?
25, 26 in September.
5. What experience do you have as a performer?
I've released music in Australia, but it wasn't as a solo singer. It was in a girl group.
Oh, okay. What was the name of the group?
Scarlet Bell.
Oh, yeah. You performed a couple of years ago on the show.
Yeah.
I remember.
That was me.
Wow. So what's going on? What's happened?
I've always wanted to do my own music, and this is kind of the first time I'm going to do that. So
this is the dream?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to sing?
Someone Like You by Adele.
Cool. Take it away, Regan.
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. Old friend, why are you so shy? It's not like you to hold me, but turn the light out on our love. Well, I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you see my face and that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. And don't forget me, sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love. Sometimes it lasts in love. Well, sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Oh, sometimes it lasts in love. Sometimes it lasts in love. Well, sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it hurts instead.